Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Otis Marketing Channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up a tool to help you increase the number of live viewers when you live stream on TikTok. Okay, first, as you can see, on this interface, you will need some TikTok accounts. Like me, I have over 600 accounts here. And to increase the number of live viewers when you live stream, you will go to the Settings section. Here, we will select the TikTok accounts that you have. After you have finished selecting the accounts that you want to use to boost the virtual viewer count, you just need to enter the TikTok link here, then save it. And we will set up the watch time. Yes, the watch time. And also, if you want to comment, just enter the comment content into the software. Next, you just need to click Start. And as for the rest of the work, the tool will automatically handle it for you. Okay. That's all you need to do to help you increase the virtual viewer count when you need to increase the number of live viewers when you live stream on TikTok. So if any of you are interested and want to own this tool, please DM me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp. Okay, see you guys in the next video.